Hey everyone, welcome back. Today feels like one of those calm mornings.
It really does. Those mornings where you just want to slow down a little.
Exactly. I was sitting here at the park, just enjoying the weather.
Same here. I almost didn't come, but I'm glad I did.
Me too. By the way, is anyone sitting here?
No, you're good. Go ahead.
Thanks. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The weather is perfect.
It feels peaceful today. I come here often, but today feels different.
I know what you mean. Mornings like this don't happen every day.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, I do. I moved here about a year ago.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
Originally, I am from Texas. What about you?
I was born here, but my parents are from Mexico.
That's nice. Do you still have family there?
Yes, most of them. I visit when I can.
Family always pulls you back, no matter where you live.
Do you usually come to the park alone?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes I come with my kids.
How many kids do you have?
2, a boy and a girl.
That must keep you busy.
Very busy, but I wouldn't change it.
I don't have kids yet, but I come from a big family.
That sounds fun. I only grew up with one sister.
Are you close?
Very. We talk almost every day.
So, what do you do for work?
I work remotely in marketing.
That's nice. Working from home must help a lot.
It does, especially with kids. What about you?
I work at medical clinic as an assistant.
That sounds stressful sometimes.
It can be, but I like helping people.
That makes it worth it.
Is that why you came to the park today?
Yeah, after dropping my kids off at school, I need a quiet moment.
I get that. I come during my break just to clear my head.
This place really helps with that.
What do you usually do here? Walk, sit, relax?
Mostly walk and listen to podcasts.
Any favorites?
I like podcasts about personal growth and parenting.
That makes sense. I usually listen to music.
What kind?
Soft music. It helps me unwind.
So, what brought you to this area originally?
My family has always lived here. My roots are here.
That's really nice. We moved here for my husband's job.
Was that hard?
At first, yes. New city, no family nearby?
That takes time to adjust.
It does. But we're starting to feel at home.
That's one thing I like about this city. It grows on you.
It really does. And people are friendly.
Very conversation like this remind me of that.
Same here. You don't always expect to meet someone like this.
I'm really glad we sat next to each other today.
Me too. This was a nice break from the usual routine.
Do you come here around this time often?
Most mornings, yeah.
Maybe we'll run into each other again.
And I like that.
Well, I should probably head out soon.
Same here.
But it was really nice meeting you.
You too. I enjoyed the conversation.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. See you around.
And to everyone listening, thank you for spending this time with us.
We hope you enjoyed this real life conversation.
Sometimes English is the best learner through the simple moments.
Real conversations, real stories.
We'll be back with more conversations like this.
See you in the next episode.